Every tire begins its life far from roads, cars, and factories. Before steel belts, before tread patterns, before high-speed testing machines. It begins in quiet plantations where rubber trees grow slowly over many years. This is the complete journey of a tire, from a living tree to a finished product designed to carry tons of weight at high speed. Natural rubber comes from rubber trees, most commonly grown in tropical regions. These trees take 6 to 7 years to mature before they can be tapped. When ready, a shallow cut is made into the bark. A milky liquid called latex begins to flow. This latex is not rubber yet. It is a raw material, delicate, unstable, and highly perishable. To prevent it from solidifying too quickly, preservatives are added immediately. The latex is then collected and transported for processing. At processing facilities, the liquid latex is filtered and cleaned. It is then coagulated, a process that causes the latex particles to bond together. The material is pressed into sheets and passed through rollers to remove excess water. These rubber sheets are dried slowly, either using warm air or smoke chambers. Once dried, the rubber becomes strong, flexible, and ready for industrial use. This raw rubber is now shipped to tire manufacturing plants. Inside the factory, raw rubber is only the beginning. To function safely on roads, tires require carefully engineered rubber compounds. The rubber is mixed with synthetic rubber, carbon black, oils, sulfur, chemical stabilizers. These ingredients are combined in massive internal mixers. Heat and pressure transform the mixture into a uniform compound. Different parts of a tire require different rubber formulas. Grip-focused rubber for the tread, flexible rubber for sidewalls, airtight rubber for the inner liner. Each compound is processed separately. A tire is not molded as one piece. It is built from multiple precision components. These include inner liner, seals air inside the tire, body plies, fabric layers that give shape, steel belts, provide strength and stability, sidewalls, protect and flex, tread, grips the road surface. Each component is manufactured independently, cut to exact dimensions, and prepared for assembly. The tire is assembled on a rotating drum. First, the inner liner is applied. Then, the body plies are wrapped around the drum. Steel belts are layered carefully over the structure. Sidewalls and tread are added last. At this stage, the tire is soft, smooth, and fragile. This unfinished product is called a green tire. It has no strength yet and no tread pattern. The green tire is placed into a heated mold. This process is called vulcanization. Inside the mold, temperatures rise to around 170 degrees Celsius. Pressure forces the rubber outward. Sulfur bonds rubber molecules together. At the same time, the tread pattern is pressed into the surface. This step permanently transforms the tire. Soft rubber becomes durable, elastic, and capable of withstanding extreme forces. After vulcanization, tires are cooled gradually. Excess rubber is trimmed away. Edges are cleaned. Surface details are refined. Brand markings, size information, and safety codes become visible. The tire now looks complete, but it still must prove its quality. Every tire undergoes inspection. Machines check balance, uniformity, internal structure, air pressure retention. X-ray systems detect invisible defects. Tires that fail inspection are removed immediately. Only tires that meet strict safety standards move forward. After passing all tests, tires are packaged and shipped worldwide. From highways to city streets, from heavy trucks to small cars, each tire carries the result of years of natural growth, chemical engineering, and industrial precision, all starting from a tree. The next time you see a tire, remember, it isn't just rubber. It's a carefully engineered system, built layer by layer from nature to machine. That's how tires are made.